Okay guys, the dish is done. Check this out. My delicious Korean marinated fried chicken wings over here. Okay guys, let's marinate our chicken wings. Over here I have about 12 chicken wings over here that is uncut. I just cleaned them, pulled off a lot of the chicken wing feathers off, and then just cleaned them nicely, and now we can marinate them. So first I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt. Going to give it a quick sprinkle of white pepper. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add in 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Add in 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a tablespoon, just give it a quick mix so that the chicken wings can get some of that spices on them. Okay, now it's time to add in our sauces. So first I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce over here. Drizzle a little bit of soy sauce. Drizzle some sesame oil. Drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. Drizzle some olive oil. And now for our spicy ingredient for this spicy chicken wings, I'm using some Korean gochujang over here. So we're just going to add in 1 tablespoon. Look at this Korean gochujang spicy paste over here. Let's put this in. Now you're also going to crack in 1 egg. Make a marinade over here. Okay, now I'm just going to put on a pair of gloves over here, and we are going to rub all the spice and gochujang into the chicken wings over here. Okay, just mix this up. Break up that gochujang paste and the egg. Create this delicious spicy batter over here. Okay, just give that a good mix, and now we can add in some cornstarch. So it depends on how much sauce, how saucy is your marinade over here after you added in the egg over here. So you can see it's not that saucy. I'll add in 2 heaped teaspoons of cornstarch in here. Then you'll create that gooey batter that we want before we coat it with our all-purpose flour. Okay, let's mix it up again. The cornstarch is going to help fuse the spiciness into the chicken wings. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this in the fridge to let it marinate for about 1 hour, and then we can start coating this with some all-purpose flour and deep fry them. Okay guys, so my wings has been marinated for about 1 hour now. Now it's time to coat them. So over here, got a bowl of all-purpose flour over here. I'm just going to add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the all-purpose flour. Just whisk it up. Okay, so we're going to coat our spicy chicken wings in this flour. And then we're going to place it into a baking tray that I also put some flour so that it doesn't get wet once we place it on the tray. Okay, let's place one of these chicken wings in the flour. You can see the red color. Now we're just going to nicely coat it. First dust the wing nicely. Once it's nicely dusted, you're going to give it a good squeeze. Yeah, just keep on squeezing the wing nicely. And make sure you're using a lot of all-purpose flour. You don't want to go less on this, because if your wings are not nicely coated, you won't get that delicious crispy chicken wing that we all want. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this for all of the wings, and then we can deep fry them. Okay guys, all my wings are coated nicely, as you can see. I also dusted some flour on top so that it will get more drier. So yeah, now let's preheat our oil and deep fry these chicken wings over here. Okay guys, I preheated my oil. Just testing the oil. You can see it's starting to bubble up. Or you can just throw in a piece of crumb. You can see it's starting to pop out. If the crumb sinks down to the oil, then the oil is not ready. So now we can turn the heat back to medium, and we can slowly place in our chicken wings. We are going to do a double fry today. So we're going to fry these chicken wings for 2 to 3 minutes so we can form a little coating before we lift them out. As you can see, I'm using like a small pot to deep fry my chicken wings over here. It's because I don't want shallow frying, I want deep frying over here. Place this in. Okay, so my little small deep fryer pot over here can only place 4 wings at a time. Once you place in the wings in the oil, you don't want to move it around for the first 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, when you feel with your chopsticks that it formed a little crust, then you can stop moving them around. And if your chicken wings, like now, is starting to turn color very fast, that means your oil is too hot. So I can just switch off the oil now. Okay, formed a little crust, I can lift them out. You see it turn color very fast. So that means the oil is very hot now. So I tune down the temperature. Okay, they're not 100% cooked. That's why we'll do a double fry later on. Chicken wings, we have to deep fry them for about 8 to 10 minutes for them to be well cooked. So that's why we don't want the temperature so high. We want to keep it just at the right temperature so that it can be in the oil for around 10 minutes. Okay, the second batch is ready. You can also see that when the oil is like very hot, the crust will fall off because it will be bubbling too much. So the temperature has to be very correct over here, not too hot. Okay, let's take out our third batch. Okay, let's do our double fry for our first batch. So we're going to fry these for about 6 minutes because we've already like fried them for like 3 minutes on the first fry. Okay guys, the first batch should be ready. Let's take these out. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay guys, I'm just going to do it for the rest of the other batches, then we can plate them and eat them. Look at how beautiful that looks. Wow, yummy. Guys, our second batch is ready. Look at that. Nice color. Okay guys, one more batch to go. Look at how beautiful they look. Oh guys, this is our third batch over here. Check that out. Wow. Nice. Finally, it's done. Let's plate it. Okay guys, the dish is done. Check this out. My delicious Korean marinated fried chicken wings over here. Look at that. Wow, it's also smelling so good guys. I can't wait to taste. This is my first attempt making this, and let's see how it tastes. Let's go grab a bite. Okay guys, these are my delicious Korean fried chicken over here. Let's grab a bite. Wow, let's see. Let's taste this one at the back. Check that out. Wow, let's grab a bite. Let's see how spicy it is doing this Korean gochujang marinade. So good. Not that spicy, but it's very good guys, and crunchy. Okay guys, if you want to watch me eat all these chicken wings, you can hop onto my new channel called Eating with YJ. I'll put the end screen on this video now. You can hop onto that video and you can watch me eat these chicken wings. But anyways guys, hope you guys make this recipe and give it a try. It's very tasty.